A damaged road that puts both drivers and pedestrians at risk, and if left unchecked, it could lead to serious accidents. They put drivers and pedestrians at serious risk. Introducing Hansoo, Concrete Patch MCon, the all-in-one asphalt and concrete repair solution. High-performance polymer asphalt repair material designed to fix cracks, potholes, spalling, and bridge joints. It uses a flexible polymer binder and recycled asphalt aggregate for deep penetration and strong adhesion. All-in-one box comes pre-packed with everything you need. Each box of Concrete Patch MCon includes pre-mixed aggregate, anti-slip aggregate, hardener and binder. No separate batching. No guesswork. Just open the box, and you're ready to repair. MCon is perfect for surface deterioration, spallings and potholes, expansion joints and cracks. Why choose Hansoo, Concrete Patch MCon? 1. Rapid traffic open. 2. Deep penetration and strong bonding with the base surface. 3. Weather resistant. 4. No volatile organic compounds. Clean the repair area and mask the edges. Pour the hardener into the aggregate and shake well. Add the binder and mix for 1 minute. Pour the mix into the damaged area and smooth it out. After 60 minutes, you're good to go. MCon is already being used in concrete road repairs, joint repairs, pothole repairs, and expansion joint restoration. Mix and pour for a quick, hassle-free repair. Meet Hansoo, Concrete Patch MCon.